Listen up, everyone. You think scrolling through food recipes on your phones makes you a chef? Well, it's time to get into the Culinary Recipe Creations kitchen. We're diving into the hottest, trendiest recipes taking social media by storm. That's right, these dishes are so damn delicious they've gone viral. From creamy chicken that'll make you want to propose to a cocktail so good it'll knock your socks off, we're serving up the best of the best. Get ready to up your cooking game because these recipes are about to turn you into a culinary rock star. So, grab your aprons, sharpen your knives, and let's get this cooking show on the road. All right, you lovebirds, this one's for you. Whether you're planning a special date night or just want to surprise your partner with something extraordinary, this recipe is your golden ticket. Marry me chicken. The name says it all, doesn't it? This dish has a reputation for being so irresistible that it might just lead to a proposal. This dish is so damn good, it'll have them down on one knee before you can say bon appetit. Imagine the look on their face when they take that first bite. We're talking juicy, pan-seared chicken drowning in a creamy, dreamy sauce that's so rich and flavorful, it's practically sinful. The combination of textures and flavors is out of this world, and the best part? It's dead simple to make. You don't need to be a professional chef to pull this off. Just follow these easy steps, and you'll have a dish that looks and tastes like it came from a five-star restaurant. Sear that chicken till it's golden brown and crispy, locking in all those delicious juices. The key is to get a nice, even sear on both sides. Then smother it in a sauce made with sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and spinach. These ingredients add layers of flavor that complement the chicken perfectly, and a mountain of Parmesan cheese. The cheese melts into the sauce, adding a nutty, salty richness that ties everything together. Oh, and don't forget the heavy cream. This is what makes the sauce so luxuriously creamy and indulgent. It's the secret ingredient that takes this dish to the next level. We're not holding back on the indulgence here. This is a dish meant to impress, to show that you care enough to go the extra mile. Let it all simmer together until the chicken is cooked to perfection, absorbing all those incredible flavors. The sauce will thicken and become even more flavorful as it cooks, and the sauce is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. This is the sign that it's ready to serve. You want that sauce to cling to the chicken, making every bite a burst of flavor. Serve it up with a side of pasta, rice, or even mashed potatoes. These sides will soak up that delicious sauce, making the meal even more satisfying. Or crusty bread for dipping. Trust me, you won't want to leave a drop of that sauce behind. The bread adds a wonderful texture and is perfect for mopping up every last bit. And get ready for the compliments to roll in. Your partner will be amazed at your culinary skills, and you'll feel like a kitchen superstar. This dish is a love letter to your taste buds, guaranteed to make you fall head over heels. It's comfort food at its finest, with a touch of elegance. It's no wonder this recipe went viral. It's a Culinary Recipe Creations masterpiece. People can't get enough of it, and once you try it, you'll understand why. So ditch the takeout menus and impress your significant other with this restaurant-quality dish. It's a surefire way to show them how much you care. Trust me, they'll be saying I do before you can even ask. This dish is more than just a meal. It's an experience, a memory in the making. Next up, we're shaking things up with a cocktail that's so chic, so sophisticated, it's practically royalty. The Negroni Spagliato. This drink has been making waves in the cocktail world, and for good reason. It's a delightful twist on the classic Negroni, offering a refreshing and effervescent experience that's perfect for any occasion. This Italian stallion of a drink is having a serious moment thanks to a certain Miss Emma Darcy. Her love for this cocktail has catapulted it into the limelight, making it a must-try for cocktail enthusiasts everywhere. It's not just a drink, it's a statement. Now, for those of you who haven't had the pleasure, the Negroni Spagliato is like the cooler, bubblier cousin of the classic Negroni. While the traditional Negroni is known for its robust and slightly bitter profile, the Spagliato offers a lighter, more playful take. It's the perfect drink for those who want something sophisticated yet approachable. We're swapping out the gin for Prosecco, giving it a light, effervescent twist that's absolutely divine. The bubbles from the Prosecco add a delightful sparkle, making each sip a joyous experience. It's like a celebration in a glass. We start with a healthy dose of Campari, that bittersweet Italian liqueur that adds a touch of complexity and a whole lot of style. Campari is the heart of this cocktail, providing that signature red hue and a flavor that's both bold and intriguing. Then we add in some sweet vermouth for balance and a touch of sweetness. The vermouth smooths out the bitterness of the Campari, creating a harmonious blend that's simply irresistible. And finally, the piece de resistance, the Prosecco. This sparkling wine elevates the cocktail to new heights, adding a layer of sophistication and a refreshing finish. It's the perfect way to cap off this exquisite drink. Top it off with a slice of orange peel for a touch of citrusy freshness, and you've got yourself a cocktail that's fit for a queen. The orange peel not only adds a burst of color, but also enhances the aroma, making each sip a sensory delight. This drink is dangerously drinkable, so be warned, one sip and you'll be hooked. It's the kind of cocktail that you can enjoy at a fancy dinner party or a casual get-together with friends. Its versatility is one of its many charms. So channel your inner mixologist, grab your cocktail shaker and whip up this trendy tipple. Cheers to that. Whether you're a seasoned cocktail connoisseur or a curious newbie, the Negroni Spagliato is sure to impress. So go ahead, give it a try and join the ranks of those who have fallen in love with this modern classic. Chapter 3. Baked Feta Pasta, TikTok's cheesiest craze. Listen, you don't need to be a Michelin star chef to create something spectacular. In fact, some of the most delightful dishes come from the simplest of ingredients and the most straightforward of methods. It's all about letting the flavors shine through without overcomplicating things. Sometimes the simplest dishes are the most satisfying. They remind us that good food doesn't have to be fussy or elaborate. It's about the joy of cooking and the pleasure of eating something homemade. Take this baked feta pasta, for example. It's a dish that has taken the internet by storm, and for good reason. With just a handful of ingredients, you can create a meal that's both comforting and impressive. It's so easy, even a blind cook could make it. Seriously, it's that simple. You don't need any special skills or fancy equipment, just a baking dish, an oven, and a few basic ingredients. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This dish packs a flavor punch that'll knock your socks off. The combination of creamy feta, sweet cherry tomatoes, and a hint of chili flakes creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. We're talking about creamy, tangy feta cheese baked to golden perfection, with juicy cherry tomatoes and a touch of heat from chili flakes. The magic happens in the oven, where the feta melts and mingles with the tomatoes, creating a luscious sauce. Just toss everything into a baking dish, drizzle it with olive oil, and let the oven work its magic. The olive oil helps to bring everything together, adding a rich, smooth texture to the dish. While it's baking, cook your pasta to al dente perfection. This is the perfect time to get your pasta just right, firm to the bite, yet tender. It's the ideal complement to the creamy feta and tomatoes. Once the feta is melted and bubbly, give it a good stir and toss in the cooked pasta. The pasta absorbs the flavors of the sauce, creating a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. The result? A creamy, cheesy, and utterly irresistible pasta dish that's taken the internet by storm. It's the kind of meal that makes you feel like a culinary genius, even if you're just following a simple recipe. It's no wonder this recipe went viral. It's the epitome of comfort food with a touch of elegance. It's perfect for a cozy night in or for impressing guests at a dinner party. So ditch the complicated recipes and embrace the beauty of simplicity with this baked feta pasta. It's a reminder that sometimes less is more, and that the best dishes are often the ones that let the ingredients speak for themselves. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, this dish is sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. There you have it. Subscribe to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel and be amazed by some of the best cooking tutorials that exist on Mother Earth. See you in the next video. Bye for now. 3 viral sensations that are as delicious as they are easy to make. Now stop drooling over your screens and get cooking. Remember, cooking is about passion, creativity, and a little bit of elbow grease. So put on your game face, get in the kitchen, and show those social media foodies what you're made of. And don't forget to share your culinary triumphs with the world. Until next time, happy cooking.